Why does wrapping the random method of random.Random seem to affect the RNG? I tried to log calls to random by putting a wrapper around it to print stuff. Surprisingly, I noticed that I started getting different random values. I have created a small example to demonstrate the behavior. Script main.py. Output of Python 3.7.5 main.py, same as Python 3.6.9. So as you see, the state of the random instance gen is different, and it depends on if I wrap gen random in wrappy or not. If I call randint twice, the test will fail for all seeds 0 to 19. For Python February 7, 17, the wrapped and not _wrapped functions returns the same random value every time, prints true for every seed. Does anyone know what is going on? Python 3.6 online example, this URL. On Python 3.8.2 on this online replace, the problem does not show, this URL. This question has been cross-posted at, this URL.
This answer is about Python 3.6. The state is only changed by the gen.randint1 call, so let's see what it calls under the hood. Here is the implementation of random.Random.Randint. Random.Random.Rand range is right above, and it generates random numbers using random.Random._rand below, which is implemented right below randint, and checks whether the random method has been overridden. Looks like _rand below is the issue. For reference, gtrandbits is implemented in C here, and random is also implemented in C here. So there's the difference. The randint method ends up behaving differently depending on whether random has been overridden or not.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.